What are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number Z but different mass number. Example, look please at hydrogen atoms. We have H11, H12, H13. These three hydrogen atoms have the same Z, which is the atomic number, but different mass number, so they are called isotopes. How to calculate the charge of an atom? The relative charge of an atom. First, we must calculate the charge of the nucleus, which is equal to the charge of the protons plus the charge of neutrons. Charge of protons is equal to the number of protons times the relative charge of one proton plus the number of neutrons times the charge of one neutron, which is 0. So the charge of neutrons, we can cancel it and put 0. The charge of electronic cloud equals to the charge of electrons, which is equals to the number of electrons times the relative charge of one electron, which is -1. At last, if you are going to compute the charge of the atom is equals to the charge of a nucleus plus the charge of the electronic cloud, which must be equal 0 if we are discussing a neutral atom. يعني the number of protons or positive charges equal to the number of electrons, which are the negative charges. I will send you this application in order to solve it, and we are going to revise this information, re-explain them, and solve or correct your application in class.